So, where were you guys?
What's up, YouTube? This is Josh from Blackout Tinting again, and we are going to take our first road trip in the Hellcat. We're headed to Montreal to watch the F1 race, so we're going to bring you guys along with us. We got a GoPro in the car, and we're just going to document our trip a little bit, see how it goes. Dean is starting the trip off right with an apple. You guys get your tickets to the gun show? Oh yeah. Yeah, 62 degrees and wearing tank tops. So we made it to Montreal, but we're in the wrong apartment. So we rented an Airbnb. It's pretty nice, but we couldn't find our parking passes on the kitchen table. So we went back and reread the messages, and Airbnb accidentally sent us the wrong apartment information. And then they sent another message afterwards with the correct information. So we entered the wrong apartment. We hung out for about 5 minutes before we realized that we were not in the right place. Either way, pretty funny. We are putting our parking passes on our dash. As you can see, the Hellcat is filthy. Tomorrow we're gonna find a good time and place to wash the car. There's the parking pass. Kind of weird to scratch off days and things. So we came out to our cars today, and we have parking tickets. They're $78 in Montreal. We don't really know why we had a parking pass. One of the local people explained that when we originally had them parked, they were over there, and that was not an acceptable place to park. But there's no signs or anything that tell us that, so we're a little confused. But the best part is, ticket is also in French. We don't speak French. So I see that I owe them $78, but I don't know why. Dean, how do you feel about our parking ticket?
Sucks. This apple's pretty good.
On day one, we're just exploring before the Formula 1 activities this weekend, and we are on top of some observation tower thing at the port. You can see there's some yachts over there from the Formula 1 teams and things like that, but we are about to basically bungee jump off the top of this thing and then zip line to the other side. The zip line I'm okay with. Never did anything like that, and I'm terrified of heights. We're going to see how it goes. Oh my god.
10X. Don't make me say it, Josh.
You're already out there. You got it.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Here we go. Josh, 10X.
Oh my god. Is this far enough?
No, toes to the edge.
I can't.
You can do it.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
Just a little bit more. Tiny bit more. All right.
Yeah. Woo.
Just a tiny bit more.
I can't.
Your right foot. Yeah. All right. Great.
Yeah. Woo.
Countdown.
Yeah.
All right. 3, 2.
What's up, YouTube? So I came out today. We're still in Montreal. We're about to head to the F1 race, and the person that was parked in front of me backed right into us as we were loading our luggage into the car. So you can see the front bumper of the Hellcat got some damage from they were driving a Subaru. There's some scratching and stuff here, paint ripped off. So it's unfortunate, but we got their insurance info. Luckily, we were here to watch them do it, and I was a little upset at first, but calm down a little bit and get the front end repainted. We're good to go. What's up, YouTube? We're here at the F1 race in Montreal. Michael from XPEL. Just here having a good time checking it out. Just got here, so we're going to walk around the track and see if we can find a good place to check it out from.
We're getting up to the border. Everyone grabbed their passports, and we get up to the window and he handed it to the lady. Put down the back window because Hannah was in the back seat. So she read off our names like they usually do. And she goes on and asks us a bunch of questions, typically like they do. And it was really hard for me to understand what she was saying because she was also French. No offense to the French.
So, we go through the whole questions. Aaron answers them. I think everything's going to be fine. She hands us back our passports, and then there's this yellow slip inside. And we're all just like, okay. Yeah, so I'm going to need you to pull it over to Bay A, and they'll take it from there. I'm like, okay.
Should have just said F the police before.
No, that would have been a terrible idea. So, they pull in. They have us pull into the garage.
So we're sitting in a parking lot waiting. You can see over Renee's head over there in that garage bay is the loaner vehicle currently being searched. They got the hatch open, doors open. They whisked away our friends into some building.
And as soon as we get inside, there's two armed officers to each side of the vehicle. They say, get out, leave everything where it's at, don't touch anything, and get out of the vehicle.
Not sure why.
Probably the gun show.
It could be the gun show. The Border Patrol agent, we were sitting there idling in a parking lot in the Hellcat, in the parking lot over. What did the Border Patrol agent say?
They were searching through the car while we were all sitting in the room, and he's like, man, you can really hear that Hellcat out there, eh?